cockatoo, they just give them water right there, but food not available. There are chilies of yesterday. There was mouse there. I think I thought before it was dead, but he was taking rest. And these are mouse in there also taking rest upside down, and there is also mouse taking rest upside down. I think so, not dead, because that mouse is vanished. They didn't clean, or maybe they took it away if dead, because when put the water they just check in and took it away, threw it. They are the new food, chili and apple. There are not the new one, just chana. So this is done. It's like 10 September 11:47 p.m.